Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the camera filters on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Next, tap on the camera app. And then once the camera has launched, tap on the filter button at the top. In here are the default filters. So you got warm, cool, lolly, frosty, blossom, ivory, faded, soft, and so on. Now each of these filter, there is an intensity bar at the bottom where you can decrease or increase the intensity of the filter. So simply drag on this intensity bar to adjust the intensity level. Now, if you go all the way to the end, there is also a plus button that you can tap on. Once you tap on the add button, it goes to the store where you can download additional filters. There are free filters and there are paid filters. So select a filter that you want to download. So say this one right here, you can download that filter and that will get added to your camera filter. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on the back key to go back in here. Now if you go back into filters, you can see at the top there are two additional tabs called My Filters. My Filters are filters that you can create your own custom filters based on a picture that you have selected. So say I want to add in another custom filter, I tap on the add button, and in here I can go into camera, select a photo, and based on the photo color, the phone analyze the colors of the photos, and then from there you can also tap on the photo to crop an image where you want to apply the filter or where the phone can copy the filter from, and then tap on save, and then it will automatically generate the filter for you. And if you're happy with that, you can tap on saved, and that's it. So now we can also choose a filter from our custom filters. Now there is also a face beauty filters that you can also adjust. So let's say if you're taking a photo of yourself or someone else, you can also change the smoothness of the skin color, the tone. You can also change the jawline shape. You can also change the eyes shape. And finally, you can choose whether to turn on or turn off face beauty. And that's it. So that's how you can use filters on your Galaxy S21. Once you're happy, just tap on the shoot button to capture the photo. And over here, I can also choose the classic and take a shot. And that's it. And if you take a look at the photo here, you can see this is the photo that has been captured with filter on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.